Hey guys, welcome back to another video in our series here. Now, I'm back on Deliveroo. This applies to many other platforms. Really, anywhere you can get stuff delivered. If you're in the UK, that's often Deliveroo and Uber Eats. If you're in the US, that's DoorDash and Uber Eats. There's countless of other platforms, City Pantry, and independently run companies as well. But something to keep in mind when building your menu is to have a specific deals and bundles section. And I'm not talking about doing special deals and discount in the marketing section you'll find over here, which is a video for another day, in dashboards. I'm talking about a specialized menu. I scrolled too fast. Called combos or meals deals, right? Our exclusive combo offers and meal deals. Because who doesn't love a good deal? Right? So this is how matchas. I will end up pausing the video and going to Pearl and Cafe so you can see the difference. This, I think, is a necessary part of your menu build from the start. Don't wait to do this because people like deals. Your position within each individual platform will quickly rise if you have a combo section. Excuse that. And in a world where there's tons of competition for restaurants and cafe, you want to soar to the top first. So for us, we have an item that goes with each core section of our menu. So we have pick any two boba drinks, two of our most popular drinks, cake for your friends, and the glow latte and smashed it, because these have been our top two selling items historically, almost since opening. Everyone likes their avocado toast and the glow. So we ended up making this so it was a little bit cheaper than buying them individually. Really, that's the concept for them all, right? So pick 4 pieces of crepe cake for you and your friends. Why? Because we were seeing a lot of people buying 3 to 8 pieces at a time because they're ordering for a friend or a small office, like desserts. If not, you just got one person that really wants to go into a diabetic coma or is stocking up their freezer. But let's see here. So let's look at this. Let's go back up to our pastries. It's $7.50 a piece, right? That $7.50 times 4 is $30. Okay, £3 cheaper, but you have to think in terms of percent. It's 10% off. So people look at that and they're like, "Oh, okay, that's a decent discount. I'm saving 10% off each one, so we're going to go with it." We actually find this is still really popular. It's only £3 difference, but people think percentage, and it works more. Just like if I put in here cake for your friends, let's say it's not this much, let's say 30% cheaper. You know how people will click that so fast because they see that 30% and they're not even doing the math in their head yet. They just see 30% savings and they're adding to cart. Delivery platforms go hand in hand with e-commerce. People see discounts, whether or not you actually have a discount, but you say there is, they flock to it. So we have 2 of our most popular drinks. Again, this is probably 10 to 15% off, depending on the one you pick, or the 2 you pick more so. People can choose from drink 1, drink 2, and adding on something sweet, and the temperature. So they have to pick temperature. These are our most popular drinks. They can pick any 2. Same for boba. 2 boba, well, it's like 10 to 15% cheaper than getting them individually. That's how you need to think about it. Now, let me switch to cafe before I continue. Now, as a cafe, it's a little different. Excuse that some photos have been removed with their update. because never leave photos missing. Again, we'd get people ordering for their small office team a 4-drink deal, 2-drink deal, people coming in for lunch or brunch, breakfast. Okay, any toasty and a drink of choice. And again, we have just espresso, a smoothie or juice, or a latte. And again, they save 10 to 20% by bundling 2 smoothies, toasty with water. And again, you can see there's different prices because these drinks are so drastic isn't the right word, but they're so different in price. You don't want to put them all together. You're going to end up losing money if you're not careful in what you bundle. The office toasty pack, again, more toasties. Why? Because we were getting people ordering, like, again, 3 to 6 toasties at a time because they're just like, oh, I'll just Deliveroo breakfast or lunch for our small little office meeting. So we made bundles. Toasty and boba. So this was meant to be like, you know what, come get a complete lunch. You're getting a drink and something to eat. And other deals we could do, like, we added this in so people could buy our containers of milk we use because some people really liked it and they'd want to buy it directly from us. So we added it in. Why go to the store when you can order your coffee and pick up your milk on the way, right? Or have it delivered. So we could do buy a case, get 10% off a case of 6. Probably wouldn't do that because we don't keep enough milk on hand for people to come order 5 cases of milk. You gotta be mindful. There's another video where I mentioned you can use Deliveroo for last minute orders. So be careful with this. You're gonna want to put a cap on certain things. But really, that's about it with this. Meal deals. Again, they'll really push your restaurant, cafe to the top because people like a discount. People like one-stop shops. People like feeling good. They got a full belly. They get more than one thing. They got a discount. They didn't have to place multiple orders. Lots of feel good on there. And the more people feel good, the more they're going to buy from you. So again, do the bundles, make the deals, start off with it, and then adjust later. If you find some meal deals are not working, people aren't buying them, get rid of it. Replace it with a different thing. If you see people are constantly adding a certain drink and a certain food together every time, make a bundle with it. It'll sell even more. But that is about it, really. It's just like creating menu items and adding them. Pick 2 good ones to go together and give people a discount. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you know what, you're doing this yourself and want to know what should you bundle on your menu, just drop us a note in the comments below or send us an email, and I'm more than happy to give it a check and give you my opinion to see what might work best for you.